Hi, my name is Garrett Murphy, and I'm here to talk to you about Murphy Mobility, where our goal is to help people heal faster and better from ankle injury, improving overall quality of life through motion. Now think of your body as a house, and in that house, your ankles are your foundation. If the foundation of a building is cracked, then that can lead to problems throughout the structure. The same is true for your body. If your ankles are damaged, then that can create problems throughout the kinetic chain. And I know this through personal experience. The last time I was here at the Cisco Innovation Challenge, I told the story about my ankle injury and how my experience in physical therapy motivated me to help people recover and led to the development of this device. Recently, my little brother also broke his ankle playing rugby. He's going to have a long recovery, and my goal is to finish this device and put it in the hands of the physical therapist to help him recover faster and better, regaining more of his range of motion and get him back on the field. Now, my little brother hurt his ankle playing rugby. I broke my ankle in a dirt bike accident. Plenty of people hurt their ankle every day just rolling their ankle on a rock when they're walking down a trail or stepping off a curb the wrong way. This injury is common. It's so common, in fact, that almost half of all sports injuries are ankle related. There's 25,000 ankle sprains and 696 ankle fractures per day in the US alone. And based on these numbers, the market for therapy devices related to the foot and ankle is projected to reach $5.2 billion, and that's just in the United States. Now, our contribution to help people recover from this very common injury is the Murphy Mobility device. The purpose of this device is to provide a simple, easy-to-use piece of equipment for all patient populations. It utilizes the Mulligan mobilization technique to provide a clinically proven method made basic for the individual. Now, I say individual because this is huge for me. During my recovery, the Mulligan mobilizations helped me regain my range of motion. However, the only way for me to do these exercises properly was with the help of the physical therapist within the clinic. This device allows a patient to perform these exercises at home as part of a home PT program without the need for the physical therapist. It also allows a physical therapist to assign these exercises to a patient within the clinical setting, improving efficiency and productivity for the physical therapist and the clinic. The next step for Murphy Mobility is the Murphy ROM. The Murphy ROM is a measurement tool. It takes range of motion measurements whenever a patient is using the device. The Murphy ROM consists of two sensors, one embedded within the foot platform and another that's mounted on a strap that wraps around the patient's calf. It takes range of motion measurements whenever a patient is using the device, and that data is then stored in a secured cloud that can then be monitored through a cell phone app by the physician, physical therapist, and the patient. This enabled technology streamlines communication between the physician, physical therapist, and the patient, allowing the physician to track a patient's progress through recovery. It allows the physical therapist to change or modify a treatment program based on range of motion measurements taken on a day-to-day basis, improving recovery for the patient. The PODAIR program and the Cisco Innovation Challenge has been invaluable in helping bring the Murphy Mobility device to fruition. When I first presented, the only thing that I had was this 3D model that you see on the screen. Now we are actually 3 weeks away from finalizing the prototype and placing this device within the hands of physical therapists in a pilot program. One of these pilot programs will be with my brother's physical therapist to help him in recovery. Winning the Cisco Innovation Challenge truly provided the validation that I needed to give myself permission to pursue this product. It also enabled me to grow relationships and make connections that have helped get me to this point. Luis Castillo, the engineer that has worked tirelessly on this device, is one such relationship that I'm very grateful to have. So far, we have identified our pilot programs, we've obtained endorsements from professionals in the field, our non-provisional patent has been drafted and filed, we are 3 weeks away from finalizing our prototype, and we have written a smartphone app to both control tension and collect some data. I'm asking for the $5,000 to help with manufacturing the first 12 units, further R&D to help begin the ROM development, and for any costs associated with the pilot programs. Now I'm going to leave you today with a quote from Dr. Logan J. Sullivan, who will be heading our pilot program at Exos, a professional athlete training center where they both train and rehab athletes from the MLB, NFL, NHL, and Olympic track and field program. Now, I'd truly like to express how grateful I am to be a part of this program, and I hope that it continues. Thank you.